Good morning, students. Now, class for second years. Topic characteristics of services. We have already seen what are services and concepts of services, and we've seen some examples. Now, we see characteristics of services. Here you can see there are 4 characteristics of services. I know the terms are all new to you. I hope that you doesn't heard about these phrases. So listen carefully. Number 1, intangibility. Number 2, inseparability. Number 3, variability. Variability is otherwise known as heterogeneity. Number 4, perishability. So started from number 1, intangibility. We see what is intangibility. Intangibility in sense we can't touch, we can't smell or taste. Intangibility of services are actions rather than objects. Those we cannot be seen, we can feel the services. So we have already seen we can feel the services, we can't able to touch or use anything. It is not an example of products or objects. Intangibility of services are said to be as performances and actions only. The example of intangibility is when we undergo any training sessions, when we go for any study center, we are paying fees for that. So we feel the benefit of knowledge, skills and education only for what we paying. So intangibility in sense we can feel the services only, which cannot be explained as a product and which is not a object. Those are all performances and actions. So this is said to be as intangibility. Number 2, inseparability. Separability in sense we can't separate, which is inseparability, we can't separate. The services cannot be separated from the person who providing it. ஒரு பர்சன் கிட்டேருந்து அந்த சர்வீஸ் அவங்க பண்ணக்கூடிய சர்வீஸை பிரித்து எடுக்க முடியாது. அதுதான் இன்செப்பரபிலிட்டி. ஒரு பர்சன் கிட்டேருந்து அவங்க பண்ணக்கூடிய சர்வீஸை பிரித்து எடுக்க முடியாது. The services are produced and consumed at the same time. The produced and consumed for a same time of the service. Let me see one example. Doctor giving treatment to their patients. So we can feel the treatment of doctor. Without doctor we can't get treated. So without doctor we can't feel cured. So we cannot separate the treatment from doctor. So this is a best example of inseparability, right? Inseparability also they mentioned as services are created and consumed simultaneously. So this is said to be as inseparability. Third one, variability. Variability is otherwise known as heterogeneity. Heterogeneity. So you may use variability. If it is easy for you in sense, use variability only. The another name of variability is said to be as heterogeneity. We see variability, the name variable is said to be as changes. The name variable terms as there may be changes. The quality of service which are vary from producer to producer and consumer to consumer. The means the service can be changed from one day to another day. We feel service is not unique. For example, we may see we send one car for car service. We feel the first time is a best service they provided. We cannot feel the same type of service for the another service. Sure, sometimes we feel the better service for the first time, but sure we may not see the best service for second time. So எந்த ஒரு சர்வீஸும் வேரியபிலிட்டியில் பார்க்கும்போது ஈவனாக இருக்காது. ஃபஸ்ட் டைம் நல்ல சர்வீஸ் பண்ணலாம், செகண்ட் டைம் நம்ம எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் பண்ண அதே சர்வீஸை அவங்க பண்ணியிருக்க மாட்டாங்க. செகண்ட் டைம் நல்ல சர்வீஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க, தேர்ட் டைம் இன்னும் பெட்டராக தான் அதை சர்வீஸ் பண்ணியிருப்பாங்க. ஸோ we cannot feel the same unique service each and every time. We may feel the variability of the services, which are all comes under variability. The next service we going to see is perishability. Perishability in sense